Welcome to Soon What Seeds.
In this video, we will share a complete guide on how to grow seedless watermelon, from seed to harvest, step by step. First, let's start the seeds. Prepare seedling trays with compost or peat moss. Insert one seed in each hole and water the seedling tray. Ensure the soil is adequately moist, avoid overwatering to prevent germination problems. Next, after 10 to 14 days the seedlings are ready to transplant. Planting distance. We suggest 50 centimeters or 20 inches between plants, and 5 meters or 200 inches between rows. This spacing allows for adequate air circulation and room for the vines to grow without competing with each other. Furthermore, we can harvest the fresh watermelons from both rows at once. With the suggested planting distance, we will get an estimated population of 4,500 to 5,000 plants per hectare. The yield potential will range from 50 tons to 80 tons depending on local growing conditions. With optimum fertilization and good agricultural practice, successful farmers will be enjoying their bountiful harvests. With attractive green skin and oval shape, farmers celebrate its crispy deep red flesh and its sweetness level of about bricks 11 to 13%. At maturity, an average fruit weight from 5 to 10 kilos or 10 to 20 pounds, which is perfect for any market globally who loves watermelons. Few of the main reasons why tropical rain-fed farmers prefer 118 seedless are the rain-resistant trait. Not only the plants can withstand high heat growing conditions, it champions other seedless varieties in terms of disease resistance. Furthermore, the cost of ever-increasing fertilizers and agrochemicals means farmers prefer a super early maturing variety. From seed to harvest of 65 to 75 days, 118 seedless stands out to be the perfect choice for farmers growing in the tropical to subtropical regions. Seeds are available in 10 grams with an estimated 160 seeds or 200 grams with an estimated 3,500 seeds per pack. Scan and download our newly launched app or visit us at soonwhatseed.com to shop from your quality reliable seeds partner since 1948.
Thank you from Soon What Seeds.